Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we'll see how to make holly bracelet. For this we need red and green 260. Let's inflate the green one for around 4 pumps. Let's start by twisting a little bubble, a small one. We'll make another small bubble. And this one we'll make it as a pinch twist. It's also called a ear twist. We'll make a 4-finger bubble. Then a small bubble again. And one more 4-finger bubble. Now we'll twist it into this pinch twist. The second bubble that we made. Now again we'll follow the same pattern. One small bubble, second bubble, this will be a pinch twist, now let's make one 4-finger bubble, small bubble, one more 4-finger bubble, and twist it into this pinch twist. Let's follow the same pattern again. One small bubble, one more small bubble. So this one will be a pinch twist. Then one 4-finger bubble, one more bubble, small one, and one more 4-finger bubble. Now we are going to twist this into the pinch twist. Now let's discard the remaining balloon. We'll just give a small slit and slowly we'll release the air. We'll just tie a knot. Now we can trim this tail, but I'm just leaving it. Now what we are going to do is we'll take the nozzle and we will attach it to the last pinch twist that we made. Just rotate it a couple of times. We'll insert it into the leaf and leave it. Remember, the 3 pinch twists will be behind and the 3 small bubbles will be in the front. Now let's attach berries for this. We'll take red 260 and we just inflate a little bit. We don't want much, very little air, to make 3 bubbles. So we'll tie a knot. Let's make 3 similar size bubbles. Don't worry about the exact sizes, so approximately let them be looking similar. Now let's tie a knot like this. After the third bubble, we'll put a knot. Couple of knots we will tie so that it will not come undone. Since we are making a bracelet, we have taken a long red balloon. If not, we can take any scraps of red color and have only the berries and attach it like this. So now we'll take the nozzle and we will twist it into any of the pinch twists behind. Now let's release the air in that tail of the balloon. So we'll give a small slit so that there won't be any air left in the balloon. Now we're going to just stretch or pull the balloon tightly like this. Now hold the berries and make sure that you give a good stretch. Pull it well at the bottom like this and towards the opposite side of the leaf at the pinch twist. Twist it a couple of times and take it in between the leaves towards the front and insert it into the berries like this and give a good pull. Make sure that you pull it tight, give a good stretch, and again take it backward to the pinch twist behind and twist it a couple of times and again to the opposite direction, and then again we'll insert it into the leaf in the middle like this and pull it over and again in between the berries. Make sure you're pulling it tight. Stretch the balloons and pull it tight, and again go into the next leaf. So just twist it a couple of times. That's it. Now let's adjust a little bit so that the berries will be in the middle of all the three leaves like this. Our holly bracelet is ready. This much will be enough if you want to just have it as a wall decoration, or you can hang it on a tree. But since we want it as a bracelet, we'll make a loop like this, and at the tip of that balloon we'll just stretch and twist it a couple of times into any one of the pinch twists like this, and the remaining we can just insert it inside and just hide it in. Yes, for any Christmas parties, our bracelet is ready. You can even attach this to a hairband and use it as a headband. So I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to give a thumbs up and do not forget to share with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel Merry Balloons, please do subscribe. I hope you enjoy making these balloons for this Christmas. And leave your comments if you have tried making these. Thank you so much for watching. Happy twisting!